So please come and help us understand. How is Islam not a bogus religion?
Because it's the true religion from Allah, the true religion.
Give evidence. For hijrah, what evidence have you got?
It's even Isaiah 25, Hijrah. It's prophesied in Isaiah 25.
Say again.
It's prophesied in Isaiah 25.
Do you understand the word hijrah?
Hijrah, when Muhammad went to Mecca to Medina.
Mecca to Medina.
Yeah, so-
What's the historical evidence for that?
The hadith in the Quran. The Muhajir,
Quran.
yeah.
Hadiths come centuries later.
But it's
When we talk about history, one second.
Yeah.
When we talk about history, unless you want to be brainwashed, you need to bring in a qualified source. Does the Quran testify of a hijrah from Mecca to Medina?
Yes, it mentions the Muhajirin and the Ansar.
Where does the Quran testify of a hijrah from Mecca to
It
Medina?
mentions the Muhajirin and Ansar in the
Listen to
Quran.
me carefully. I'm not asking if the Quran has a few words.
No, that
I'm
proves it,
asking
that
you
proves it, that proves
if
it.
the Quran gives evidence for a hijrah. You understand what a hijrah is? One second. Please. Do you understand what a hijrah is?
Migration.
Migration. Let's say once. Let's say one person running from one place to another, from Mecca to Medina. Muhammad and his entourage running from Mecca to Medina because some local people in Mecca persecuted them. What is the evidence you have?
In the Quran, it's mentioned the Muhajirin and Ansar. That means
Just the words?
Muhajir and Ansar means they have immigrants and the helpers. That means the people did migrate
Oh,
to Medina.
okay.
They did.
Now let me tell you something. I completely understand that the Quran has a hijrah recorded. Completely understand.
Yeah.
There is a hijrah recorded in the Quran. One second. I am focused. You're coming too close right now. Earlier you were barking at me. Now coming too close. Sure. For your al-Zud services, go approach Muhammad. Don't come near me. Not to you, sir.
Brother, where is Jesus from?
Completely understood. There is a hijrah recorded in the Quran.
Christianity.
If you don't know where, I can even tell you where. But the question that I've asked you is for a hijrah from Mecca. Don't touch me. Please don't. Please, Saudi Arabia, please. For a hijrah.
giving you clients.
For a hijrah.
Clients for you, man.
If you are giving me, I am suspicious already. So if you please stay away. Thank you.
See, I bring clients.
For a you are from Saudi Arabia,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. See?
You are from Somalia, sir.
Yeah.
So close enough. So please help us understand. You are an Arab speaker. His people were Arab speakers, but they were forced to become Arab speakers, unfortunately. Like his people. Now to you, sir. What evidence, qualified evidence exists for a hijrah from Mecca to Medina at the hands of persecuting Meccan Arabs? What evidence exists? Qualified evidence.
Evidence from Muhammad go from Mecca, Medina.
Yeah. Hijrah. You know what a hijrah is? Fleeing Mecca, running to Medina with Yathrib, with his entourage, early Muslims, because they were made to flee.
Hadith.
Hadiths come centuries later. Remember, did you hear me saying qualified evidence?
No, it's right after, but it's come early.
So hadiths were okay. So first of all,
And the Quran is
one second. Have you got any early evidence first?
Hadith and Quran.
Hadiths are late. We'll come to that in a minute. One second. Where in the Quran? Don't come. And don't even tell me you're wasting time. Please. One second. I'll give you 5p later for the client. 5p later. Not to you, sir.
Quran.
What evidence exists in the Quran? You said there's in the Quran. What is there in the Quran that tells you there was a hijrah from Mecca to Medina? Please.
1 minute.
Please. Take it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, please. The gentleman here, the Arab speaking gentleman, is going to get some information for evidence for.
Here's the verse.
Please. If you come this way, please be on that side. Help him. Desperately, please help
What
him.
are you going to do with the evidence?
If you also want to help, please come that side, please.
What you going to do with the evidence?
Please cover him from the back.
No, I'm not gay.
Please help him. Don't argue with me. Speak to them. Discuss with them.
You're a Christian, yeah?
Discuss.
No. Are
Wow.
you Christian?
Yeah.
Are you
إلا
Christian?
تنصروا فقد نصره توبة. First
Surah Tawbah.
توبة.
Yeah, Surah Tawbah. Tell me what. Surah Tawbah. Say again.
آية 40.
Ayah 40. Yeah, tell me.
إن لم تنصروه فقد نصره الله إذا أخرجه الذين كفروا ثاني اثنين إذا هما في الغار إذ يقول لصاحبه لا تحزن الله معنا فأنزل الله السكينة عليك. If you don't, because English I'm not good. If you don't victor with him, God victor him. Allah, God with him. If أخرجه, if they kafir, kick him out from Mecca. If he
Does that use the word Mecca?
no, but
The word, don't corrupt the Quran. The Quran is already terribly corrupted. Don't corrupt it anymore.
I translate.
Yeah, excuse me. You know what translation is? Does the word Mecca show up there?
No.
So that's not translation, that's lying. Don't lie.
I'm not lying.
Does that...
Respect.
excuse me, sir.
Sound.
Once.
Don't.
Whoa. Excuse me. Mr. Arab. Mr. Arab, please stay focused.
I'm focused.
Once.
but-
This is called... Once.
But you don't,
Whoa. Please stay focused.
Your sound don't be like.
Sure. I am engaging in a public...
Respect.
You stop. Once you're finished speaking, if you stop, the other side can speak. The fact that I am loud is for the benefit of many other people who are near us. Now, you might be quiet because you're lying, but I don't have to be quiet.
I'm lying.
Yeah, please. I asked for evidence.
No.
once.
Don't say lie.
Yeah, sure.
Don't say lie.
Excuse me, sir, once.
Don't say lie.
If you look, your threats, keep in Mecca. Don't bring to London.
I keep you in your case. Don't respect.
Evidence for a hijrah from Mecca to Medina. Does the word Mecca show up there? Does the word Mecca show up there?
No.
Does the word Medina show up there? Yathrib show up there?
Yeah, but
Does the word Yathrib show up there?
what? Yathrib?
Yathrib, does the word Yathrib show up there? So why did you lie? I asked for evidence for a migration from Mecca to Yathrib, and that verse that you read neither says Mecca nor says Yathrib, whereas you wanted to, under the hood, just let Mecca in. That's called lying. Don't do that at Speaker's Corner. Have another try. Have you?
I do what I want. I do what I want.
Lying.
I do what I
And at
want.
Speaker's Corner, we will reveal liars as liars.
No, you are liar.
Is there any evidence for a hijrah from Mecca to Medina? If you please stay away, let the gentleman. Sure, but don't touch me, yeah? You're already a liar. Don't touch me. Thank you much. Yeah, please. Surah Tawbah, Ayat 20. Let's try and read. The ones who have believed, emigrated, and jihaded in the cause of Allah. So there is evidence for jihad in the Quran. There is evidence for... Please, I'm reading. Please. There is evidence for a hijrah in the Quran. With their wealth and their lives are greater in rank in the sight of Allah, and it is those who are the attainers. Does the word Mecca show up there?
Yes, it's intro. That's what it means.
Does the word Mecca show up there? Is the word Mecca there?
That's what it means. Intro from Mecca.
Is the word Mecca there? Is the word Mecca anywhere in Surah Tawbah?
That's what it means.
Please listen. Once, excuse me, my dear friend. Please listen. I'm asking for evidence. You're citing some handicap material, and you are. Please listen. You know, if I ask for evidence, listen carefully. What is your name?
Mahdi.
Mahdi.
Yeah.
If I ask for evidence for what your name is, would you show a document which doesn't even quote your name?
No.
Clearly not. You're not. Please listen. Once. Clearly, if I ask for evidence for your name, you would provide a document if you want to.
Yeah.
You would provide a document which will give your name, yeah?
Yeah.
Which is, you will also explain how that document is a qualified document.
Yeah.
I have asked for an evidence for a hijrah from Mecca to Medina. And you are citing something which does not use the word Mecca, does not use the word Medina.
That's what it means.
Please come here, please, once.
That's what it means. That's what
Does the word Mecca show up anywhere?
In the tafsir.
No, please listen. I'm asking for evidence. Does the word Mecca show up anywhere, even in the surah, in the entire chapter? Does the word Mecca show up anywhere?
Here's a tafsir.
Ignore tafsir. Which tafsir are you reading?
Ibn Kathir.
Ibn Kathir, when was that written?
Sometime after.
Centuries later.
Yes, centuries
That's
later,
what
yeah.
I call a bogus religion.
It's not bogus. It's true religion. For example.
Listen carefully.
Yes.
A belief for which there is no evidence.
There is evidence.
Please listen once. Mehdi, yeah?
Yeah.
Listen, you are a young man.
Yeah.
My name is Arul. I am a Christian.
Yeah.
Everything that we believe, please come this way. Mehdi, everything that I believe about Jesus comes from qualified historical resources. And what, please listen here. And what that means is first century resources that can be traced back to the first century Judean community.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
This is how intelligence works. You believe in facts, evidence, apply reason, so you don't let anyone brainwash you. Please listen once. That's what a Christian is.
Yeah.
But in contrast, I completely see that Islam is a bogus religion. Please listen. Please listen. Don't be offended. Please listen. Bogus religion where people believe in all sorts of fantasies when there is no shred of evidence. No shred whatsoever. Please listen. And the bogus religion partly, in stages was created over centuries after Muhammad. So this is what I am saying. You are supposed to give me evidence to contradict me. What you have given me, what you have demonstrated right now is that you actually believe in a bogus religion. You're believing in a source that came centuries later. Not a good idea.
This is a clear verse of Hijrah.
That's not a good idea. Does the word Mecca show up there? No. Does the word... Excuse me, sir. When it doesn't show up, don't believe. It's called brainwashing. You know how brainwashing works? One second. Do you know how brainwashing works?
Yeah.
Hey, look. Can you see that monkey jumping from there? Well, please listen. If I told you there's a monkey jumping from there to there, would you believe?
No.
Why not?
Because it's a lie. It's not real.
Why not?
It's not realistic.
Why do you say it's not real?
There's no monkeys in London.
No, if I showed you particularly here, and if I showed you there's a monkey jumping from there to there, why would you not believe? Particularly here.
Because unlikely.
It's not a matter of unlikelihood. You look at it and you say, well, there's no monkey there, yeah?
Yeah.
In other words, you look for an evidence, fact, and you see there is no fact. Yeah? But once I have said there's a monkey jumping from there to there, if you said, okay, Arul says and therefore it must be true, it's called brainwashing.
No.
Don't allow that to happen. That's what Islam does. This is what Islam does. Islam makes you be brainwashed about all sorts of things. I'll ask you another important question. What is the evidence that that the Arabs of the 7th century were not a community who wrote things down?
They did. There were scribes and literate people in Arabia.
So in Arabia, normally you're told that the Islamic community was a oral tradition community. That's what you're told.
No, some of it is written down in bones and animal skin.
Sure.
Yeah, the origin, some of the Qurans.
So why wasn't the history of Muhammad written down?
There was a rock found. That's Umar ibn Khattab is the wali of Allah. A rock found in Saudi Arabia recently. There's lots of evidence of Islam being.
A rock is found.
Did
you listen to my question?
Yeah.
Why was the history of Muhammad not written down in the 1st century of Islam?
Because they didn't have. It probably was partly, but they didn't have paper at that time.
But they are a written community, you said.
Mostly oral.
But you said they are a written community. They wrote even in bones.
Yes, sometimes.
Is writing on bones more complex than writing down on parchment?
They didn't have parchment. They didn't have it.
They didn't have parchment?
They only had.
Are you familiar with the Birmingham manuscript?
That's made by animal skin.
Parchment. That's called parchment. Animal skin parchment. That's called parchment.
Yeah.
So why couldn't they write down the history of Muhammad in parchments?
They probably have, but I'm not sure.
They did not.
Yeah.
Muhammad is a fantasy character. You're believing in a bogus religion. Jihad, the entire jihad is based on a bogus religion. Please don't sell your soul for a bogus religion. Please don't. Don't sell your soul for a bogus religion, Mehdi. There's no Mehdi coming to help you. So your name, you better be careful about. Jesus, the true Jesus, who the Christians consider to be Jesus, is going to return. Did you understand? Not the Islamic Isa. The Islamic Isa is utterly clueless. The true Jesus is going to return. The Messiah, the Lion of the tribe of Judah, the one who comes in the clouds of the heavens, is going to return. And you better believe in him based on historical evidence before he shows up. Because when he shows up, it's going to be judgment time. God's blessings to you. Thank you very much, Mary. God's blessings.